nice and smooth. It's giving a nice, good taste here. Oh, this is very good. Okay, I chopped up some strawberries, pretty ripe, fairly sweet, so we don't have to add too much sweetener to it. So this is like 5 large strawberries. We're making ice creams using 8 ounces of half and half. Use maybe half of that. We'll put all the strawberries inside of it. I found out that if you don't crush up the strawberries and you're trying to make ice cream, basically like a strawberry ice cream on top, regular vanilla on the bottom. So we'll take our immersion blender. It's on. Let's listen to it first though. This is 9. I don't know, just keep it on 12 I guess. It don't sound like a huge difference between a 6 and 12, but I know that when you get down to 1 you can hear it. So you gotta bury this thing first, so. Oh, it creates a nice suction, it just pulls the blade straight. Okay, so you can see it took probably 1 second. I'm going to add the rest of this cream to it. Okay, so you can see how quickly it blended up the strawberries into nice pieces, nice texture. So this is a great base if you're going to make milkshakes out of it. Just throw some ice cream on it, use the immersion blender and blend it up. But we'll make an ice cream, so. Okay, so we finished up immersion blending the strawberry up, so now it's nice and blended up, so we'll just pour it into this cup here. We'll be blending again, so that's okay. Since this is strawberry ice cream, we don't need that much vanilla. I'll be just using 1 tablespoon. Usually use about 2 tablespoons as a vanilla base, but this is a strawberry ice cream, so. Now we're going to start adding our sweetener. We'll start off with the Alois. We're going to use something just shy of a 1/4 cup. That's what it looks like. So we're less than a 1/4 cup. Pour that in. Next sweetener is stevia. The reason I mix 2 different sweeteners is that you don't want just 1 sweetener, especially artificial type sweetener. So both these measure 1 to 1 as regular sugar, so it's about the same amount. So we're probably going to come out to like a little over 1/3 of a cup total. Then we use the gum, 1/4 teaspoon of gum. Right on top. I also have a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. What I did was that I ran it through a strainer to get all the liquid out. I just need the cheese. The liquid itself is kind of salty, so then we're going to add our milk. 1.5 cups of milk. Or basically milk up to the max fill line. Mainly because we have the strawberries in it, so we can't go with the full 1/2 cup of milk here. So blend it all the way down. And just it doesn't take that long, 1 or 2 seconds, or a couple bursts. You can see it's pretty well blended. Okay, so this is our strawberry ice cream base. It's blended all the way through. If you didn't use the immersion blender, eventually you're going to have this mostly strawberry up top and the bottom will be vanilla. So hopefully this got it real nicely blended up here. We'll let the foam settle down for a couple of minutes. Stick in the freezer and we'll come back in 24 hours and give it a good taste test. Okay, we got the strawberry out of the freezer here. You can see it blended pretty good. I mean, it's pretty uniform, so that's good. So the immersion blender did a good job. Let's check out this ice cream here. Turn it on. Full light ice cream. Since we're using a light ice cream base, I know we're going to have to do respin immediately. So we'll put about a tablespoon of milk into this. Yes. Okay, so this one looks like, you can see it's blended pretty good. So the immersion blender was the trick. I just chopped up strawberries and everything just floated to the top. Using the immersion blender, it blended it all the way down to the bottom. So let me get a nice scoop. You can see how nice and creamy it is just by me scooping it. Nice and smooth. Give it a nice good taste here. Oh, this is very good. Strawberry ice cream. We got lucky, you know, the strawberries are nicely sweetened, so I didn't add any additional sweetener to it. And it still tastes nice and sweet. Hope you found this video informative on making a strawberry ice cream. Please click the like button. When you have a chance, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. How's it taste?
Good. Hard to believe tastes like this without sugar.
It's good, isn't it?
Good job.
Look at Yuka's face.